Are you looking for a place that combines rich cultural heritage, excellent conditions for recreation and diverse nature? Are you looking for sunny weather during your holiday? In Bulgaria, we have 2,500 sunny hours, or approximately 208 sunny days per year on average. The solar cult is ancient but still preserved. At the Bulgarian Black Sea coast, we celebrate July morning. If you like diving, there are hundreds of sunken ships and treasures around Cape Kaliakra and Kamembriak. This place was the sea bottom 50 million years ago. Enter the circle of Pobiti Kameni. The energy is cosmic. There's another beautiful spot on our coast, the River Opotamo de Bishamon. The river may be an excellent addition to your photo holiday. Lakes with huge biodiversity, Srebrna Natural Reserve, one of the UNESCO natural sites. Poda Natural Reserve near Burgas. There you can see more than 260 bird species. Bulgaria is a mountainous country, and each mountain range has its own secrets. Rare birds, high peaks, venerable deciduous and coniferous trees, and mammals. In terms of biodiversity, Bulgaria rates second in Europe. Have a walk or a few days of travel on horseback. Our ancestors were horse riders. This is how they came to our lands. They spent their lives tirelessly racing on their horses. The love for this animal is still here. I will show you yet another phenomenon created by nature and man together. This is the Utrobota womb cave. However, Ledenika is considered the most beautiful cave in Bulgaria. It abounds in icy stalactites, columns, and frozen waterfalls. Adventurers in the group can test their valor by trying to reach its highest point, called Seventh Heaven. We're in northern Bulgaria, and these are the Belogradchik rocks, a rock formation exceeding 30 kilometers in length, which nature has been creating over the course of over 200 million years. The rocks were the Bulgarian proposal for the new seven wonders of the world. The Rhodope Mountains. Here we are near one of the sunniest towns of Bulgaria, Kırjali. And this is one of its natural phenomena, the stone wedding. The Rila Mountains are the highest both in Bulgaria and on the Balkan Peninsula, with their highest peak, Musala. Every year, hundreds of alpinists and amateurs come here and try to climb it along different routes. All of Bulgaria can be seen clearly from there. The Rila Mountains are bewitching with their glacier lakes, the deepest one called Okoto, the Eye. Around Maljovica, you can find splendid tourist routes as well as climbing tracks. Let us take a walk in another mountain range, Pirin. See its shape with beautiful peaks. The highest one is called Vichran. The foot of Vichran is a vertical wall, 400 meters in height. This col is named Conchito, the foal, an incredible place, as if you are standing on the edge of the earth. We offer you contact with the inimitable, clean and diverse Bulgarian nature, emotions and experiences. You will take your cameras when you leave for Bulgaria, but strongest of all will remain the memories you will keep in your heart. Welcome. We're looking forward to meeting you.